Yo, what's up? Back with another video. Just wanted to touch on Title 18, United States Code, Section 244, Deprivation of Rights under color of law. I want you to read and definitely do your research. You're going to need to read this and understand what it's talking about. Alright, we're going to read it. Whoever under color of any law, statute, ordinance, regulation, or custom, willfully subjects any person in any state, territory, Commonwealth, possession, or district to the deprivation of any rights, privileges, or immunities secured or protected by the Constitution, of laws of the United States, or to different punishments, pains, or penalties, under account of such person being an alien or by reason of his color or race, then are prescribed for the punishment of citizen, shall be fined under this title or imprisoned not more than 1 year, or both, and if bodily injury result from the acts committed in violations of this section, or if such acts include the use, attempt use, or threatened use of dangerous weapon, explosives, or fire, shall be fined under this title or imprisoned no more than 10 years or both, and if death result from the act committed in violence of this section, or if such acts include kidnapping or attempt to kidnap, aggravated sexual abuse, or any attempt to commit aggravated sexual abuse, or any attempt to kill, shall be fined under this title or imprisoned for any term of years or for life, or both, or may be sentenced to death. June 25th, 1948. Alright? It's public law. Alright? And this is the deprivation of any rights. Right? Of any rights. Secured by the Constitution. So if any foreign entity, corporation, any association, company, any legislative, executive, or judicial officer violate anyone's constitutional secured rights, these are the penalties for bodily harm against the citizen or the national. Right? Because you have immunity secured, right? And protected. They're protected by the Constitution or laws of the United States. So whoever under color of any law, color of office, color of authority, color of office, authority, anyone, right? Because they are colored. They are a foreign institution, and they're colored. That means that they have they're not law, because the Constitution is the law. The treaties is the law. These are ordinance and statutes. So when they violate you on either statute or ordinance or regulation or custom, willfully subject any person, if they willfully subject any person underneath any statute or any ordinance or any regulation or custom underneath the state, territory, Commonwealth, possession, or district to a deprivation of any right, to deprive you of any privileges, any immunities, any securities, or protection, afforded to you by the Constitution that are ready to secure your rights. Alright, so go ahead and check out Title 18. We cover that on the channel as well. And this is code for the employees of the corporation, to the legislator, to the executive branch and the judicial branch. These are the codes of such. When these colored courts or colored non-Article 3 courts, or any colored office, any fictitious, made up behind statutes or ordinance or code violate your rights in any kind of way, use this. Alright? So, Maurice Bake, Moorish American National. Just wanted to chop it up on the channel. Like and subscribe to the channel. We're trying to get 100 subscribers. We're going to be teaching about these titles and these codes. They're very, very simple. You just have to go over them and understand what they're talking about. Read it, keep reading it. And these are codes you can stand up on. When somebody try to take advantage of you, you can get lawsuits going and start leaning against those bonds. We educate, and you have to educate, because this is known in the government. These are codes that they make, so you should know this. You should know this stuff. You need to take the time out and read these titles. If you got to read a couple of titles a day, read these titles and be familiar with them so you can be able to recall them. So now you know that this is Title 18, United States Code, Section 242, deprivation of rights under color of law. When somebody deprived you under a fictitious law, a colored law, made up ordinance, and somebody try to deprive any one of your constitutional secure rights that those documents are ready to secure, you can hold them accountable for it. Okay? Talk to you soon. I'm out.